This is a lovely question. It's a little bit wordy, so we'll go through it quite slowly and we'll pick it apart and see how we can answer this. So the question asks us, what should be included in a development program to find and develop potential elite performers? And there's 5 marks for that. So just a reminder again, the number of marks available means the number of different points you should be aiming to make in your response. So we've got 5 marks here. Let's just recap the question. What should be included in a development program to find and develop potential elite performers? So let's have a look at that in 2 ways, the finding and then the developing. So in terms of finding, we might want to be looking at screening to find desirable attributes of the athlete. So what that means is we're going to go around the country, we're going to screen individuals, test them for certain qualities or attributes that they might have that might fit in to the particular sport we're looking for. For example, if we were looking for rowers, we might be looking for people who are tall, quite slender, but who have long arms and long legs. So long levers, which are perfect for the particular sport in mind. In this case, it's rowing. So screening is really important. And then once we've done that, we're going to provide high quality facilities. This is so important whenever we're talking about elite level, that we need to make sure we're emphasizing high quality facilities and high quality coaches. Now, often they appear both on the same point in a mark scheme, so it's quite difficult to ensure that you're going to get 2 points if you say high quality coaches and high quality facilities. There's no guarantee there's 2 marks for that, but sometimes it might be. So my recommendation to you is, if and when you're talking about elite programs, elite performers, talk about high quality coaches and high quality facilities, and at least you'll get 1 mark. What you mustn't be doing is saying coaches or facilities. That's not good enough. We've got to make sure we're talking about working at the very, very top end. Now, also in terms of provision, we can say that these performers, now we found them, we're developing them, so we're going to provide them with sports science. So that might be physiotherapy, that might be biomechanics, it could be the exercise physiology type things that you've worked on in your A-level course, and it could also be the provision, this is a separate point, a provision of sports psychology. So the way in which performers can handle stress, so stress management, how they can cope in particular demanding situations. We could also provide financial support for elite performers. So that could be in the form of travel, it could be in the form of equipment, it could be accommodation, it could be the costs of entering into particular competitions. And then finally, in order for us to again develop the performer, we need to ensure that there are, or the program would need to ensure that there are that there's structured competition throughout the age groups as the progression takes place. So one of the things I say to my students is, well, how will we know if someone's very good? The way we can find that out is we put them in competitive situations in competition structure, and if they rise to the top and they're winning these competitions regionally, nationally, then clearly that is showing that they are able, they are talented, and we can help develop them further. So there's more than 5 points there, but I think bear in mind what we said right at the beginning. If you've got 5 points, 5 marks available, you must give at least 5 different points.